Hello, this is David Benign from Excel Consulting. In this video, I'm going to show you Power BI's new visual speed up hacks. And in this, I'm going to include a secret keyboard shortcut that isn't really documented. So building new visuals from scratch. So let me show what I mean. Going into Power BI, so I can, without using my mouse, I can do this and start asking a question. So I can say, what is my sales by country? Like that. In a line chart. It will give me that in a line chart. I need to make it a bit bigger to see it, but then I can lock it in like that with my keyboard still. So I'm going to show you how to do that and also some other tricks to make formatting go faster. So the way I did that, there is a shortcut called Shift ? that opens up the keyboard shortcuts dialog box with supposedly all the keyboard shortcuts in Power BI. Now, that isn't exactly true. It has the ones to navigate and more the ones for accessibility than the ones that are to do with both writing DAX measures or creating this other one that's secret to create keyboard shortcuts, and that is Control ? Don't ask me why it's not in the list, but it's not in the list. Press Control ? and you get it auto loads Q&A. This got enhanced in the last month, and it is now a key visual rather than something that was here, but Control and ? used to just launch up that. So that's the same one. Again, Control ? launches this up, and then you can ask, you can get suggested ones, or you can just ask what you want. If you want to create a visual of, let's say, sales, by person. There we go. So we have the % sales by person, and then press Tab and Enter, and that locks it in and makes it a new visual. That's basically it. You can have a few different things like that. So let's do a more robust one. So let's have sales by fruit and by gender in stacked bar chart. So you can specify which type of chart you want. Tab, Enter, then locks it in. You can also, let's do another one. So let's have sales by fruit, for example, in pie chart. And you can specify the visual type, table, matrix, whatever you want, scatter chart, like that. You can also say, let's say in bar sorted by, and you can say sorted by fruit. So if you want it alphabetically rather than there, you can say sorted by fruit. You can also say top 5 sales, and then it's only the 5 ones. Then it's not really sorted by fruit. So you can do a bunch of different things. You can also say, you can add a filter. So you could say top 5 sales by fruit in bar chart for, what's the country? UK. And then it's taking in the filter UK. So you can do a bunch of things. You can do sorting, you can do filtering, other things like that as well. Sometimes it is just worth knowing that it's faster to do things with custom visuals when you create things. So if I like this table sorter custom visual, because I can basically say, for example, one thing, multiple measures like that, take them out of rank. And it just basically puts them all in this nice little arrangement there. So I can click on things to sort by them in a neat way. I also, if I use this visual, take off the histogram because it can be difficult for people to understand. So just have it like that. It's really slick if you have other things as well. So let's add fruit as well to that list. And we get it showing like that. You can drag these across. So yeah, I kind of like these, and that it's very slick the way it moves. This is much faster than building a table to do the same thing and manually adding conditional formatting to everything. When it comes to formatting, I really advise using the search bar. It's kind of random where things are and what they're called, and they don't even know how to spell color. I'm from the UK. There's definitely a U in color, but that can be a good way to speed up. Slices, I believe you can't make with the Q&A tool, but you can add it like this, and let's say you want to slice it for country. And I think Power BI has a different definition than I do when it comes to what horizontal means, because if I go here and go to general and choose orientation horizontal, that's what it gives me. Isn't that crazy? So although the search bar is useful, you probably wouldn't know that the way to make it look like this is to search for the word called orientation. And it isn't that good at using a thesaurus to kind of try and guess what you mean in the search box. But still, it's really, really useful and a way to do things. Finally, I advise adding your text box to a quick access toolbar. Right-click on it and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar, and then it pops up over here. And then, since for me it's in the 8th position, I can press Alt-8, and that automatically gives me a text box that I can type into directly. So if your objective is to use a text box, very often you just want to be able to get to it without adding your mouse, using your mouse, and that is the way to do it. So text boxes and shapes are not treated like other visuals, but you have some formatting stuff, but they are treated in quite a different way. All right, great. Well, that's it from me in this video. I have some other speed up tricks in Power BI in other videos that you can watch as you please. Thank you for watching.